Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, you guys can see right here, we have a really nice product that is by the brand called Mascarry, Mascarry. And pretty much what it is a smart IP camera that you guys can actually bring anywhere, or you guys can just put it anywhere because it's a wireless camera, which is really nice and really convenient. So before we talk more about the product itself, let's actually unbox and show you guys what comes inside the package first. So when you remove the box, this is what you get inside right here. You guys want to open this part here. And the first thing you see inside is the camera itself, if as you can see. Very nice, brand new. Has the logo right there. Has a little night vision camera right here as well. When we take that part out, we have some instruction guide or manual on how to set up the product and how to use it. And if there's anything wrong with the product, you can contact them. We have the screws and mounting tools to mount the camera if you guys want to use the option as well. There is another mounting accessory to actually tape it or wherever you guys want to put it. And then we have a micro USB to USB cable to actually charge the product. And then the product uses a little magnet to actually stick it onto the actual product itself. So here's the camera itself and here's the magnet. So this is what you have to do. So the magnet is actually really strong, if you guys can see. It will actually hold it in place pretty well. And you guys can see the back of the mount, this is what it looks like. So you just have to put in the screw right there to actually mount it in. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So on the back of the camera, there's a little compartment right here. So if you guys remove that part, so it has a micro SD card slot and it has a micro USB slot to actually charge the product. There's a power button and there's a reset button right here, if you guys can see. So when you guys buy this product, you have to actually buy your own micro SD card to actually record the product. So if you guys don't have one, then definitely buy one before buying this if you guys want to get this one in particular. On the bottom, if you guys can see this little screw part, if you guys want to use it to screw on to maybe leave it in the house somewhere to watch the baby or something, you guys have the option as well. But this one was mainly advertised as a security camera where you can actually put it anywhere. So like, let's say if I want to leave it right here or something, then you guys can actually leave it outdoors and it's actually water resistant, which is really nice. So when you first get the product, the way you actually have to turn it on is from the back part. Just hold the power button right here 5 seconds and you guys will be able to see red light. Alright, so you guys heard there's a click right there and that's how you turn it on. So I actually have it all paired up already, but let me actually show you guys what the app actually looks like. So the app itself is actually called Cloud Edge, and this is what the app actually looks like when you guys finish setting it up. The process took me probably less than 5 minutes to actually set up, which is really fast and really smooth. So when you guys first get the product, you guys want to click the plus sign right here to actually download the product before using it. And then when you guys download it, you guys can add it. So let me actually show you guys what the camera quality actually looks like first. Alright, so if you guys can see, that's the kind of the quality right now that's being used. And the Wi-Fi is actually used to be faster, but I'm using a different Wi-Fi right now. That's why it seems like very laggy right now. So it's actually not this laggy when you actually use it in person. But overall, the build of the quality is actually really nice and it's actually really durable. It actually shows the date and everything. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that you guys can control like the body detection. You guys can use the intercom. You guys can use to record. You guys can take pictures. And you guys can actually go back to the history to see everything that happened, which is really nice. But the main difference between this one and that one is that this one's actually much more portable because it's wireless. The other one was not wireless. That one was actually have to plug into a wall or something. The other one, you guys actually need the cable to actually last longer, unless you guys want to use a battery option, which is really nice for the video doorbell. So since this product is wireless, you guys actually have to charge it up using cable every single time when it runs out of battery. So the quality of this product is actually 720p and not 1080p. So if you guys are trying to look for like a 1080p, then this one is not the one for you. But some of the cool things about this product is the fact that it has motion detection, it has night vision, it has cloud storage option if you guys want to use that as well. But definitely the main winner of this product is the fact that it's actually wireless, so you guys can actually put this anywhere. The only concern you guys probably have on this product is the fact that you guys actually would need to put it somewhere safe where someone can't steal it. So maybe you need to get a ladder or something and put it really high so no one can take it, because of the fact that there's a magnet right here to actually screw it on. So unless you guys have an option where you can actually screw this part onto it, then definitely do that. But this one is definitely not the safest option, because look, if I just have this on the wall and I just pull this out, it's so easy. So that's the only bad part about the product, but other than that, everything about this product is really nice. But now that we show you guys the product and how it works and everything about the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $88, and I believe there's a coupon for $5 off, so that's around $83 or $84. But for that price range, would I say that's actually worth it? For security, it's definitely worth it for that. But if you guys are worried about what I said earlier about how someone can steal like that, then definitely don't get this product if you guys are worried about that. But you guys have somewhere where you guys can put it that's very safe, and you guys want it to use as security, then definitely buy this because it's actually really nice. The main winner, like I said earlier, is the fact that it's wireless, so it's actually really portable, and you just put it anywhere, which is really nice and really convenient. But regardless, it is an amazing product. It's just the fact of the security option of whether you guys want to take that risk or not. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have